Okay, so today I'm going to be splitting this chicken with a cleaver, and there's a few ways to do it, but the first thing is you want to open it up and get in there. Some parts you don't eat, like this fat, can be removed. Just take your cleaver and split it right down the breastbone like this. Okay, cut right through and you can see what you're doing. And then in the middle you want to remove the backbone. Of course, this gets saved and reserved for chicken stock. I take the backbones and put them in the freezer. When I want to make chicken soup, I've always got them ready to go. Cleaver, you might notice, cuts right through here pretty easily. Not too much effort. There's my 2 half chickens. There's my backbone. Goes right into the bag, along with these pieces here, ready for the freezer. There you go. This, by the way, makes amazing chicken stock.